You searched how to buy shares of Nordea Bank Abp. Nordea is a leading Nordic banking and financial services group listed on CBOE EU under the ticker NDA.HE. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker. I use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NDA.HE to find Nordea Bank Abp. Make sure you select the CBOE EU listing to access the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm the name Nordea Bank Abp and the ticker NDA.HE. Check the overview and recent news to ensure it is the correct security. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio. For reference, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.